Hello, everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel dedicated to Computer Science 101. I'm excited to have you here as we embark on a fascinating journey into the world of computing. Get ready to explore the fundamentals of computer science, from programming languages to algorithms, data structures, and more. Join me as we dive deep into the exciting realm of code, logic, and problem solving. Whether you're a beginner looking to learn the basics or an enthusiast eager to expand your knowledge, this channel is the perfect place for you. Together, we'll unravel the mysteries of computer science and empower ourselves with the skills to navigate the digital age. Thank you for joining me on this incredible learning adventure. It's very common to hear in your CS 101 class, everything is ones and zeros in the computer world. Let's explore this idea, which is the foundation upon which the most complicated technology you can imagine is built. There is something called ASCII, you can Google it. It's just a number assigned to most of the characters, i.e. letters and punctuation, that we use. Okay, so what? If you put a bunch of ones and zeros together, you can represent any number. Kind of like Morse code. Don't worry if you don't know what Morse code is. The idea is, there exists a mapping between a set of ones and zeros and the normal numbers that we use. It goes something like this: if we take 2 bits. 0 0 is 0. 0 1 is 1. 10 is 2. 11 is 3. With 3 bits we can represent 8, with 4 to 16, with 32 bits you can represent more than 4.2 billion numbers, and so on. Watch the movie The Matrix. It takes this idea to the next level. So if a bit, a single 1 or 0 is called a bit, can be mapped to a number and a number can be mapped to a character using ASCII. We can now represent any sentence ever spoken in English using just ones and zeros. Of course, this sequence is for a computer to understand. They might be dumb, but believe me, they are wicked fast. Let's take this idea a little further. How do we store our music with ones and zeros? Sound is just a wave. It can be represented on a graph. Don't believe me? So now the problem is converting this graph into ones and zeros. It's pretty simple actually. You divide the horizontal axis into a fixed number of parts, say 100. Now for each part, you note the value on the vertical axis. So for 100 parts on the horizontal axis, maybe you get something like this for the vertical axis. And we know how to convert decimal number to binary number, i.e. ones and zeros. Boom! You can store audio now. Raising the bar. How can we store your favorite movie? A movie has 2 parts, audio and video. We already saw how to save audio. A video is a bunch of pictures saved one after the other and then played very fast. Kind of like a flipbook. It's that simple. So taking a step back, we need to save a picture in binary. Let's try to reverse engineer the answer. I.e. we will look at the solution and then try to figure out how we arrived at it. Take a look at your laptop or phone or literally any digital screen very closely. You will see 3 color lights. Red, green, and blue stacked beside each other, there are thousands of them. If you have a cheap display, it is easier to see as these lights are less closely packed in cheap displays. So these lights light up at different intensities, and with a little bit of physics magic called interference, they generate different colors. Yes, it's either magic or a physics class to understand interference. Your choice. So now we have a color, just like a painting, we put a bunch of colors with different shades together to get a picture. If we are able to store the brightness of the 3 color lights, red, green, blue, we can store a picture. It's a hell lot easier now. Let's say each color can go from a range of 0 to 100 in brightness. So now it just takes a few thousand triplets of 3 integers to save a picture in your pocket. And guess what these numbers are converted into for the dumb computer to make sense? Thank you so much for joining me on this journey through Computer Science 101. I hope you found the content engaging, informative, and inspiring. Remember, the world of computer science is vast, and there's always something new to learn. If you enjoyed the videos and want to continue exploring the fascinating realm of technology and coding, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Also, feel free to leave your thoughts, questions, or suggestions in the comments section below. Your feedback is invaluable to me as I strive to bring you the best possible content. Together, let's continue to grow our knowledge and skills in the exciting field of computer science. Until next time, keep coding and pursuing your digital dreams. Goodbye, and see you in the next video.